वह आपका इंतजार करेगा। He will wait for you. He will wait for you. मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ। I want to ask you. I want to ask you. आप कहाँ गए थे? Where did you go? Where did you go? मैं तुम्हें माफ कर सकता हूँ। I can forgive you. I can forgive you. लेकिन तुम बदलोगे नहीं। But you will not change. But you will not change. मैं आपको सुन रहा हूँ। I hear you. I hear you. आप बोलते रहिए। You keep on speaking. You keep on speaking. तुम मेरे पीछे क्यों हो? Why are you behind me? Why are you behind me? तुम उसका पीछा क्यों करती हो? Why do you follow him? Why do you follow him? मैं इंतजार नहीं कर सकता। I can't wait. I can't wait. मुझे यह चाहिए। I want this. I want this. वह मजाक नहीं कर रहा है। He is not joking. He is not joking. वह चश्मा लगाती है। She wears glasses. She wears glasses. अपने हुनर को निकालो। Hone your talent. Hone your talent. अपनी राय बदल लो। Change your mind. Change your mind. थोड़ी देर के लिए और रुको। Stay a little longer. Stay a little longer. मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ। I am going out. I am going out. क्या आप कुछ बोल रही हो? Are you speaking something? Are you speaking something? मुझे समय बताना। Tell me the time. Tell me the time. सिर्फ तुम और मैं। Just you and I. Just you and I. दरवाजे बंद ही रखना। Keep the doors closed. Keep the doors closed. बाएं तरफ ही रहना। Keep to the left. Keep to the left. मुझे इंतजार मत करवाओ। Don't keep me waiting. Don't keep me waiting. मैं बस से आया। I came by bus. I came by bus. ये कितने का है? How much is this? How much is this? कार में ही रहना। Stay in the car. Stay in the car. मेरे हाथ सुन्न हो गए हैं। My hands went numb. My hands went numb. मेरी नाक बह रही है। My nose is rainy. My nose is rainy. मेरी आंखें दुख रही हैं। I have a sore eyes. I have a sore eyes. थोड़ी और कॉफी पी लो। Have some more coffee. Have some more coffee. मुझे फोन करना। Give me a call. Give me a call. जैसे मन हो वैसे करो। Do as you wish. Do as you wish. जैसा तुम्हें अच्छा लगे वैसा करो। Do as you please. Do as you please. ये तो मानी हुई बात है। It goes without saying. It goes without saying. अपनी जैकेट बंद करो। Do your jacket up. Do your jacket up. क्या वह सीट खाली है? Is that seat free? Is that seat free? सब खोखली धमकियां हैं। All are mere threats. All are mere threats. मेरी तो किस्मत ही खोटी है। I have a ill luck. I have a ill luck. तुम इतने भीगे कैसे हो? How come you are so soaked? How come you are so soaked? मुझे जाना पड़ा। I had to go. I had to go. मैं उसे समझा दूंगा। I will explain it to him. I will explain it to him. मैंने उसे मना लिया. I convinced her. I convinced her. मैं आपकी कैसे मदद कर सकता हूँ? How can I help you? How can I help you? मैं कुछ ढूंढ रहा हूँ. I am looking for something. I am looking for something. यह कोई मजाक नहीं था. This was not a joke. This was not a joke. आगे से ध्यान रखना. Keep in mind from now. Keep in mind from now. मैंने उसे हाल ही में देखा. I have seen her recently. I have seen her recently. तभी के तभी उसने मना कर दिया. She refused then and there. She refused then and there. मेरी दाई आंख फड़क रही है. My right eye is twitching. My right eye is twitching. यह तकदीर का फेर है. It's a twist of fate. It's a twist of fate. मेरे पास वापस मत आना. Don't come back to me. Don't come back to me. बोलने की कोशिश करो. Try to speak. Try to speak. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to understand. मैं जाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I am trying to go. I am trying to go. वो पढ़ता रहता है. He keeps on reading. He keeps on reading. मैं नाचना जानता हूँ. I know how to dance. I know how to dance. मैं पंजाबी बोलना जानता हूँ. I know how to speak Punjabi. I know how to speak Punjabi. मैं उसके घर जाता रहूंगा. I will keep on going his home. I will keep on going his home. तुमसे मिलने के बाद मैं वहां जाऊंगा. Having met you, I will go there. Having met you, I will go there. मैं ये काम करने के काबिल हूँ. I am able to do this work. I am able to do this work. तुम सिर्फ मेरे लिए बने हो. You are only meant for me. You are only meant for me. किताब पढ़ने के लिए बनी है. Book is meant for reading. Book is meant for reading. 2 साल हो चुके हैं. It has been 2 years. It has been 2 years. मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ. I want to meet you. I want to meet you. सब्र करो. Have patience. Have patience. 2 मिनट लग रहे हैं. It is taking 2 minutes. It is taking 2 minutes. ऐसे लोग स्वार्थी होते हैं. Such people are selfish. Such people are selfish. अनिवार्य. Compulsory. अनिवार्य. Compulsory. समझौता करना. Compromise. समझौता करना. Compromise. छिपाना. Conceal. छिपाना. Conceal. ये लीजिए. Here it is. Here it is. कुछ समझ नहीं आई बात. I didn't understand the logic. I didn't understand the logic. बहस मत करिए. Don't argue. Don't argue. मैं कुछ काम से वहां गया था. I went there for some work. I went there for some work. आपने कहाँ देखा? Where did you see? Where did you see? मैं खेल रहा हूँ. I'm playing. I'm playing. मैं संभाल लूंगा. I will manage. I will manage. कितने दिनों के लिए चाहिए? How many days you need? How many days you need? मैं आदित्य हूँ. This is आदित्य. This is आदित्य. मैं तुम्हारे लिए चाय लाती हूँ. I bring a cup of tea for you. I bring a cup of tea for you. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please guys share this video with your friends.